How real is reality? In the vast panorama of the universe, an invisible, intricate, and mysterious fabric is woven, uniting the threads of quantum physics with the mysteries of spirituality and personal development. At the heart of this enigma lies the quantum law of being, a principle that challenges our conventional perceptions of the universe and aids in the manifestation of our dreams. On this journey, we encounter the quantum field of possibilities, a vast ocean of potentials waiting to be explored. And ready to help you make your dreams come true. Stay until the end if you want to know more. Reality is not a concept foreign to us, on the contrary, it is a concept of which we are part. And this is not just an empty statement. It is a law that has been investigated for quite some time, called the quantum law of being, which combines principles of quantum physics with spiritual philosophy and personal development. And it postulates that, just as at the subatomic level, where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until they are observed, our experiences and realities can also be in a state of potential until they are observed and experienced by us. You may have noticed this when making an important decision, such as changing careers. After making the decision, you begin to notice that opportunities related to your new career begin to present themselves unexpectedly, as if the universe was responding to his choice. In essence, the quantum law of being suggests that our consciousness and intention have an impact on the reality we experience. According to this concept, our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions influence the way we perceive the world and the events we attract toward us. A commonly used analogy to understand this concept is Schrödinger's cat experiment. In this well-known thought experiment, a cat is placed in a closed box along with a device that can release a lethal poison. According to quantum mechanics, the cat is in a state of superposition, that is, it is alive and dead at the same time, until the box is opened and the result is observed. It is the same as with our life. In practical terms, the quantum law of being suggests that we can use our consciousness and our intention to manifest desires and goals in our lives. When we focus on what we want to experience, visualize it clearly and feel the emotions associated with that desired outcome. We are sending a message to the universe about what we want to attract to us. But it's not just enough to imagine in vague ways. Practicing the quantum law of being involves working with positive affirmations, creative visualizations, and aligning our beliefs and thoughts with our goals. Additionally, it requires trust in the process and a willingness to let go of control over how our desires will manifest, allowing the universe to work on our behalf. It is important to note that the quantum law of being is not a magical or instant solution to all our problems. It's not like just knowing its attributes will make all your dreams come true. It requires practice, patience, and commitment, and it is essential to take concrete and consistent steps towards our goals. Since action is a crucial part of the manifestation process, thus achieving the long-awaited and studied connection between physics and spirituality. One of the most fascinating aspects of quantum physics is that it challenges our traditional conceptions of reality, revealing a subatomic world where the rules of classical physics no longer apply in the same way. This concept of the influence of consciousness on reality aligns with ancient spiritual teachings. They postulate that the mind and consciousness are fundamental in the creation and configuration of reality. For example, in Eastern philosophies such as Buddhism and Hinduism, it is taught that the mind is the basis of all experience and that our beliefs and perceptions shape our reality. Additionally, this concept is also found in more contemporary spiritual teachings, such as the law of attraction and conscious manifestation. These teachings suggest that by focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, we can attract positive experiences and circumstances into our lives. The quantum field of possibilities is a notion derived from quantum physics and postulates the existence of a vast field of energy that contains all the potential realities and outcomes we could experience in life. This idea is based on the principles of quantum superposition, which states that subatomic particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until they are observed. At the subatomic level, particles can exist in a superposition state, where they can occupy multiple locations or states at the same time. This implies that all possible configurations and outcomes are present in a state of potential, waiting to be observed or measured so that they manifest into a concrete reality. This idea relates to the concept of the quantum field of possibilities, which posits that all potential realities exist in an energetic field beyond our ordinary perceptual experience. From this perspective, the universe is not limited to a single timeline or a single sequence of events, but it contains a multiplicity of possible futures, each with its own probabilities and potentials. By recognizing the existence of the quantum field of possibilities, we can open ourselves to new ways of thinking and acting that allow us to access a greater range of potentials and opportunities in our lives. To better understand everything we have explained so far, you can see it as a mirror. Just as a mirror reflects our physical appearance, our external reality reflects our underlying beliefs, thoughts, and emotions. In this metaphor, our beliefs and thoughts act as the reflection we see in the mirror. If we have negative beliefs about ourselves or the world around us, we are likely to experience an external reality that reflects those beliefs in the form of difficult or negative situations. On the contrary, if we cultivate positive beliefs and constructive thoughts, we are more likely to experience an external reality that reflects that internal state of positivity and empowerment. The mirror metaphor also illustrates how our external experiences can serve as a reflection of what is happening within us. If we find ourselves in conflicting or challenging situations, we can use those experiences as opportunities to examine and explore our underlying beliefs and work on changing them if necessary. Furthermore, this metaphor highlights the idea that we have the power to change our reality by changing our internal reality. Only when we become aware of our beliefs and thoughts and align them with what we want to experience in our lives, can we influence the way our external reality manifests. It is important to note that this mirror metaphor does not suggest that our external experiences are simply a projection of our mind, but it points out the dynamic interaction between our internal and external reality. Our external reality can be influenced by a variety of factors, including external circumstances and the actions of other people. But our beliefs and thoughts still play a crucial role in how we interpret and respond to those experiences. It is there where we make the biggest change of all, the one that makes ordinary people successful individuals. And it is to identify opportunities in challenges and how unfortunate events can be perceived as opportunities for growth and positive change. This perspective is based on the premise that every challenge or difficult situation we face in life presents an opportunity to learn, grow, and transform ourselves in a positive way. Instead of viewing unfortunate events as insurmountable obstacles, we can choose to perceive them as catalysts for change and personal development. One of the key approaches to identifying opportunities in challenges is to adopt a growth mindset. The growth mindset involves believing that our skills and abilities can be developed through effort and dedication, and that mistakes and failures are opportunities to learn and improve. This mindset allows us to see challenges as opportunities to grow stronger and build resilience. By facing them, we begin to practice problem solving and finding creative solutions, which we have added along the way. Another important strategy in these cases is to practice gratitude and focusing on the positive, even in the midst of difficult situations. Recognizing the blessings and lessons we can draw from each experience helps us maintain an optimistic outlook and cultivate hope in difficult times. Don't forget that you are not alone in this process. It is also helpful to seek support and guidance when we face challenges. Talking with friends, family, or professionals can give us new perspectives and additional resources to address challenges effectively. When you can identify opportunities in challenges, you are not only able to overcome difficulties, but you are also able to grow and develop in ways that you may not have imagined otherwise. Each challenge overcome strengthens us and prepares us to face future challenges with greater confidence and determination. Make this law work and attract everything you want into your life. Shape your reality through your mind, and nothing can stop you. What do you think about this topic? Leave your opinion in comments. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to support the channel with your like and subscription. I also invite you to take a look at our other videos. I'm sure that more than one will be to your liking. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.